By the end of this video, you'll learn how to make logos like this, or this. So stick around, I'll show you how. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna introduce you to the three main tools you need to make this Photoshop. I mean, this logo. So first you need Photoshop, as I said, and MineAnimator. Two tools, I mean, sorry. So MineAnimator is free. Photoshop you need to buy it with a fee, but then I made a video on how to get it for free. In the top right, both links will be in the description below, so feel free to check it out. And yeah, so the first thing you need to do is to go to MineAnimator. Once you download it, you can install it, and this is very easy. So now, create new project. Yes, I made a logo for my friend as well. So now, hit new project. You also don't really need Photoshop. It's just just like a side. You also can use paint.net, or normal paint, Microsoft Paint. It will work the same, but the quality is different. So just I can name it my logo for YouTube. Now description, author, you can just put that blank. And now we have this plain ground and the sky. Now, so first thing you have to do, go to background, scroll all the way down, and show ground. Turn that off. So now when you put your player, it's just flying. Now you can go around, look, like you can hold and go around, and also zoom in, zoom out is by scrolling. And now you hit this block over here and hit uh character. Now use human, zombie, skeleton, whatever, but we're going to press human. Since my character is a slim character, I'm going to use Alex. Hit Alex, and you can browse it if you have downloaded your skin, but then I think I already deleted it like years ago. So I'm going to download from Minecraft users. Now type my username, which will be pvpnoob80, and I'll just grab that skin. And you can just type what your name is, like for my friend Gabuckets, and for Game Boy, you just type Game Boy. You can just download people's skins and hit create. So now you have this model of yourself. This is just plain and very ugly, so I'll hit save now. And if you want to add swords like this, I am though. So for this thumbnail, I mean logo, I'm gonna use a sword. Now um hit that right or left arm, and you can bend it. You can make it look good, what or whatsoever, like that. You can just move it in any sort of way you want, like that. And I'm gonna put it like this. I'm gonna go for the other hand. And I'm gonna that halfway. It's just your preference. You don't have to copy whatever. Just I don't feel it, and just grab like that. This one over here. Sounds good. Circle. Put it over there. Does that look good? I don't know. It's just your preference. I'm not very good at this kind of everything, but I definitely know how to do it at least. Okay, I got this first word. No, oh, so good. I capital G. You can other things. And then I'm gonna move this a bit. There we go. Okay, that was a good first sword. Very simple. Now you have to copy that. We have so much blocks here that MineAnimator offers. You also can, browse blocks. You also can add texture packs, but we're not gonna dive that far for today. We're not even gonna add a background for today because you have to create a Minecraft worlds and stuff. So we're just gonna add a background after this. So now I'm gonna create another sword. I'm just gonna go. Oh, uh, that didn't go very well. And just go do that rotation. You just whoop. That didn't do anything. Why? Yep, yep, yeah, beautiful. There. What? Just undo the second one. Control Z is very helpful. And there we go. We have two swords in our hand. And I look like a god now. Okay. I'm not actually flying. We're gonna remove that after. hit the leg and then you can bend it. This again very, am I recording? I'm recording, right? Yeah. This is just self preference, as I said. It's not necessary, but then my meter makes it all easy. That's what's so good. Undo that. Undo that. I forgot to select the leg. And just. So this is what I love about my meter. Just makes everything easy. There we go. We have our beautiful Minecraft character. Also, don't forget to save so you can come back. It's just, kind of necessary. Just, and then since my animator is very much for videos, like you can animate stuff. You see timelines. That's how people, like most people, make animation, Minecraft 3D animations. But then for now, we're not gonna dive that in. So we're gonna go save. So this is for saving videos, movie file. This is for saving a Minecraft file. I mean a image file. So now go click this thing, change your resolution. For me, I'm gonna make it FHD or full high definition, whatever. And I'm gonna hit remove background, remove the sky, not the ground, but then just remove the sky, and yeah, and click high quality rendering. This all, is your soft preference. As I said, you can change that by yourself easily. Now hit save, and just select the place you want to save it. Okay, that image saved. That's very nice. Now you may close. You can close my animator. It's not necessary anymore. Now, here we have Photoshop. Hit new. For now, we're making a logo. So make custom and hit create. There we go. Control 0 to full screen. So now we're gonna open the image that we just made. We have this image, very beautiful. And we're now gonna circle this thing over here. Undo. We messed up. Click the lasso tool, and just go over this thing, over like that. Control C to copy. You don't have to make any, other stuff like that. Just easily, you know, you can delete that already. You don't need it since you copy pasted. Control 0 to paste. By the way, and now Control 0 to zoom back out. Don't forget to select your character, and now Control T and transform this thing. We now have our Minecraft character. This is very cool. Since I already have made my logo, it's already not necessary for me. This is my logo. Where's my logo? This is my pretty neat logo that I made earlier. Pretty cool. Just gonna kind of copy this and just do whatever I want. You can play with this, and now you can just open a Chrome or something and search Minecraft background, and just go here. Now you just you don't get copyrighted, so just right click when you find a good image, copy, Control V to paste, put the layer over it, just and then just blend it in, and just if it's blurry you can enhance it, but for now just find a good image, or you can go to blur and radial blur. Make it fine. Just make it beautiful like that. It's just beautiful like that. And also to your character, just double click the right, give it a glow. You can give it a outer glow, which looks very good. Change the color. Just look at that. Look at that masterpiece. If this doesn't satisfy you, you can put a stroke, just select stroke, and then you have the good stuff, the goodies. Again, Photoshop is not free. I made a video on how to get it for free, so check it out in the description. So yeah, stroke, there we go. And you can just select stroke, and you can just change the color, whatever you want. Just make that look. It looks beautiful. Now go to file, export, you can go export as PNG, then it's done. All done. You can upload it YouTube, Twitch, whatever you want, and you have a beautiful picture. So guys, thanks for watching. Drop like again, hit notification. I really appreciate it if you do so. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.